everyone, so today I'll be sharing my recipe on how to make delicious authentic okra soup. So I'll be using beef, cow skin and fish as the protein for this soup, and of course the main ingredient is the okra. Then I have my chili paste, shrimp, some vegetables and my onion, and of course I'll also be adding red palm oil.
So the first thing I did was to boil the beef. So I added some onions, beef cubes, salt, and I mixed everything together and then added some water. So I let the beef boil for about 20 minutes because I wanted it to be very tender. I mean, you don't want to have toothache after eating. And then I went ahead to add the cow skin, the dried shrimps, and the fish. The next thing I added was the pepper or the chili paste. Then after adding the chili paste, I added some water and I allowed it to boil for a few seconds before adding the red palm oil. I also added iro, also known as locust beans. This is one of my secret ingredients for making the best okra soup. The aroma is so rich and inviting with a hint of spice. Now it is time to add the almighty okra. And I also added some onions here because I like to have that aroma of onion in my okra soup. And then after, the last but not the least ingredient I'm going to be adding is the vegetable because I like my vegetables to be half cooked. So as you can see, our delicious and authentic okra soup is ready. So grab your ingredients and let's make some delicious okra soup together. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.